It's time to expand your comfort zone, and the outdoor sofa will do just that. It's a unique and stylish way to make your patio even more leisurely. It's called the outdoor sofa. It should take about an hour, and once you're finished, you'll be spending all your evenings outdoors. Here are the tools and materials you're going to need, all available, of course, at your nearest Home Depot. For materials, you'll need 10 8-foot 2x4 kiln-dried whitewood studs, 1 box of number 10 2.5-inch star flathead wood deck screws, complete with bit. For optional materials, you'll need wood putty, exterior paint or stain with polyurethane, and accessories for application. For tools, you'll need a circular saw, a drill, a 1/8-inch drill bit, clamps, measuring tape, carpenter square, a pencil, medium block sanding sponge, and of course, safety goggles and a mask. First, take 7 of the 2x4s and measure and cut them at 72 inches. These will be used as the seat boards. Using the remaining 24-inch pieces, cut 5 of those pieces to be 21 inches long. These 5 21-inch pieces will be used as cross pieces, while the other 2 24-inch pieces will be used as armrests. Take 2 of the 3 remaining 8-foot 2x4s. Cut one at 75 inches and the other at 79 inches. These will be used as the backboards. Using your final 2x4, measure and cut 4 pieces at 22.5 inches each. These will be used as your bench legs. In order to assemble the seat frame, lay 2 of the 72-inch seat board sections, horizontal and parallel, standing on their 2-inch sides. Next, place 2 of the 21-inch crosspiece sections vertically, standing on their 2-inch sides between the 2 seat boards and flush with the ends. Clamp in place. Using your 1/8-inch drill bit, pre-drill 2 holes in the seat board on each side. Then secure using your 2.5-inch wood screws. Next, align a third 21-inch crosspiece vertically in the center of the frame and pre-drill holes. Attach the crosspiece with screws. Finally, split the remaining difference in half on both sides of the center crosspiece for the 4th and 5th 21-inch crosspieces. Pre-drill holes and attach with screws. Flip the frame over and attach the screws on the opposite side. Lastly, place the 5 remaining 72-inch seat boards on top of the frame. Be sure to place them flat and evenly spaced, about 1.5 inches apart. Finally, screw each seat board into the crosspiece directly underneath it. Next, you'll need to stand the frame on its long end. Align the 2 22.5-inch legs so that they are flush to each side of the frame at 8.5 inches from the bottom of the leg. Pre-drill 2 holes and attach with screws. Flip the frame over and repeat on the opposite side of the sofa. To attach the armrest, you will need to stand the sofa on its legs and secure the 2 24-inch armrests to the tops of the legs. Ensure they are flush with the inside of the legs, then pre-drill and attach 1 screw in each end. Next, lay the sofa down. Align the 79-inch top backboard so that it's flush with the top of the handrest. pre-drill and attach with 2 screws on each side. Measure 1.5 inches below this top backboard and pre-drill and attach the 75-inch backboard. Finally, sand all the cut edges and use a stainable wood putty to fill in the screw heads. Once the putty is dried, paint the sofa with exterior paint or with stain and polyurethane. Once you've found the perfect spot for your outdoor sofa, sit back and relax. For even more hands-on help and projects, go to homedepot.com/workshops and sign up for an in-store workshop near you. See you next time.